Say papa, mami we waji misika wadada me waye say enipa beble. Ana me kra me be your life say menye police ni menye court. Me na obi ni menya sam na oni media or social media no so a. Se mu nim se obi adi mo boni a mo mfa me fa me so. Mo nko police station straight. Me be your life eda me page. Me be your video. Mo nko police station because now course na eba na edoso. But me no be there. Omo yi omo ni me ye video. I'm on my posti ewa bonten. Enti get it in my life or did mathematics and so to me fan call for crowd page in so no more so me fit me so ne mama evidence is there. You can search it on the social media. Bibia or what you say. Enti eba sa no me de min twan 20 me catch and say oye kron for ya zan because nkofo se wazan wo mo nyai eye ya pena or de me call me wo hwa na e blame letter kwasiada ni patroti haye kwasiada me ya sorry anom de letter blame say olama me say wasama me or traditional court me mla me yim hwa no say my friend kronfo azan ne ba wo ni nye obi enye ne papa ne ba me yima no openi kwasiada na o de letter ne ba ye no ni tia me tuwa na moko na we traditional court kwasiada na me koye empenifu wa nyifi okra ka say letter ye dia ba me yesofo amasan di echilaba the same day no my yard pa mentwia snap makoma akomiensa amamre kwan so omo calculate ye 10 million ana metwia ma wom instant ana yes ana metwia wie ye ana omo ne yetena se ka say obi di yaba wonti omo schedule date no omo ma ye date bi kosi 14th ana omo se ye mla ho ni tie date ni son ye me ankasa me ne ma asolefo eni na ye call na a court will be that the second time any wola mame ye ko tenase ohene betenase mpanifo betenase omo se ansa na ombedi asem no ombeji me 60 million ansa na omo tenase di asem no ye ni omo pa achewa ekaya ebesi 5,000 Ghana cedis eno so metwia ye instant
wona ya sama wona ye kodi wasam no omo se wo tua 6,000.
Yes 6,000 now I pay the money again and son of more tenase di asem no omo tenase po hene ni obi a ho ana ye na etiwo ana omo say olama me de maba asem me so ye kronfo ya zan ne baba panyen da me wo asem no kan me wo adanse fo be di ama me ana me si me ni adanse me ana me kan asem ana omo si yo ana omo fleye ana me kan asem ni na kire wo omo ana omo si me kofa evidence ana olama me so ma me sole ye ana omo so ka sensem esi ahimfio de se me ka sesia anhwe ni on my life on kasa biem because me respect on my infinity. I don't want to disgrace them or talk about it on social media. They are happy with me person me kan wasem wa ha anka it will shock him. Now edi sada no omo san ma ye koi set time or call inti yen san ko back no omo san share da omo share ye no ekosi me exams day. I'm schooling at Wisconsin University. You can go and do research. You could see me exams day. Me sole pa onyene chewo omonim said date na wa share me no. A semi school day. Intimate to me ma oma me da foforo onyene say no. Intimate possible. Said you no sacrifice atna na konyam me so me mia mani na me mla no kra na nko betu kwan. Ana otna o. Me cancel exams no me say me will research it asa me cultural. Eba himfie what that particular day esan ebegina ho ebedi asam no ye ba ye ndo hen kan se menko fankofo na omo kan se olama me yazan no menko hwehwe omo ni na mla omo so kan se olama me yazan na ye social media no maka to show na chese me san return it back. That is the 5th time me san return it back. Eko hwehwe sankofo ni na obi okra me friend na wo say papa me de manya kama se me mabiem etwa se me krokro wo mo transportation baby omo wo somebody adanse a ade pesika wo so me fa phone for
Yeah,
no
no when I
and
can.
no way
Me see before say fire will be back my back.
meba
Me could
asem
me
we kwanti meba asem we kwanti adepa me mpese me ne nye fine because me ja that
Thank you.
particular day. Why? Because me fly the pass adepa asem na cause social media ni na no also unim de cause na now we for na from some evidence mlenti be bia wo bia blood party ase so obeba me ka some rent in the hotel me find transportation but I'm not ase say we see number opani onye na twa dance fo manyom ni na e ka adepa end me ama ana o ka chem say nyese wo ma wo na mum no pese o family kwan so na say
you no clan message na anchiro text no me frɛ man fan chiro
meba said you move uno adepa was you can dance di no me try my best bi enti man ewe kra na eya me ya wo me ne ntama e firi okra me ne nkasa afon so bi mbepem ne opani me fan kofui e kofhwehwe wo mo adansefo ni na ba hemfie wo ebedi adanse asema me de manu aka wo hene ne se maka me kofa nkofo na me kofo mu ni na ba ebedi adanse na wo hene church bibia woni phone so ni people so yete wo no me san 2 years da the 6th time say yanko opani ye san koye esa kotenase esa ma another 2 weeks ye me faka ana ade no so anapa 8 no mo hye yo anapa 8 me tete ma twa me sole awomna chebe ye 5 mu wona me dwale because ukona 1 hour kla pa ho a de yom be kasa wanim wa himfie ho no aya na eye tan one day pe me call ya time pa ho ne kra tema motorway omo ye we eno kra me ye call me ka say time apa ho no me nkofo me pie ne me church address de omo di kan o 7 a.m. no omo ti wo twen me pena tampa come and see the mpanifo ne ye na me so mpanifo eye motorway ana me nam so no mo ye kwantine na traffic apa ho e free wo no me make sure say me di so me di me time so ntem me solentem awa awunachi we na me didi traffic ma akoduru ho ye duo ne ete wo saa be ye 2 hours ye one mpanifo aba o mo say oyin na tu kwan enti ye nsan ko mo tu asem na saa seda na me say oh okay that's fine na me pagya me nsa na me say me di evidence ni na aba olama me say me ma yese ma kodjo obi sika wo UK which is nyane kure akwala obi otime nche wo se ma ye ni say which is nyane kure ono na evidence way ana boy bi wo ho ahemfie fe na Alfred ana o kan say menko na minim judgment ya ebeba enti ma me nrase beble for me so evidence na me see yo date ne so ye no ana o san flare me enokra no my mother was admitted at the hospital in which it was in Kameko village. But because of me boo na awi any the traditional court inti me san call that day me call ye pe ana ohene betana na konyem asem o kan ya ne say wo hu nsem e koso na wo social media ne so na wa ye underground investigation so wo hu say me evidence na me de buy ne e light into wabu asem na tia me emla mama mu refie ola maame amfa me nsem o kafa me ngwase ogu mi social media so evidence ba akokla ama so me pagya me sana me ka so me say fansa to oyen kasa na maye ko now anam say na me evidence ya nsem a obeka fa me ho evidence we omo say me nsa me sama ola maame foforo biem wo ho na omo ni asem no e wo ho biem e wa pe ana papa kokla wa bi e de powder egu ola maame abeti ana gidi ba yimfie ho satam na papa akokora ndi powder egu ayi na chi no wo he na sole afi na konyam ko akowura dem opa onko no ko bisa asama me ka me sua me nkwa sua me bible eni ka me ka me ntwantro enti o he na sole afi na konyam akọ okowie ye no me da so gina ho I'm expecting say bia onye betena se na bia de obeka na waka onye ne ko ye ya mamle mu so no onye sori fla konyama edwa basa ejetu yes ye ya mamle me ya chimney it onye ne sori ko ye no afi me hu sakokora bi de powder go la mama abeti ana wo ye gidi me ka se nkofo jejina wo landguard for ana me so me security reason me ye dey me pia bontina me flame and call for naso BMP. And na me call infinity anymore, me case when me cut na care him for 15 minutes. Trying say, bia, call be bebasa me mla back, and na say a why di me mla 15 minutes will be ama. Nansa na me cut na care him no. Omu di asam na, and call for beble ba infio, and cranfo beble gunti, and cranfo beble video no. Eti asem fitin asie ebe primo wie no me pie no mu kitekta powder ne white ade bi no mu digugu mi ho e de hihye mensa ana me tena ka anim ana me baaye pe me du ya pe na me fa phone ana me flare na we secretary ne say secretary me flare in fear because of gidigidi na e koso no enti me sle se bibia wa mamente e wa pe na mate na we kasa e wo chire wakasaba wahino minim sasa wahinti mi kasapoto sa me gidi ana secretary say me hu the way a mama ohine buofu me hu the way a mama ohine buofu ana say e de be na maye
because of what
I don't know
but only say nana not point of correction patro o kasa men kasa ohine to be
Okay.
You see so that we can also ask questions. So before Nana, hold on. Before you continue, in some course we've heard a lot on social media. What you say? So you are here to tell us what
Let's see because be a fire jack can be a no pray. Me
say minim sa wohin ebutimi fukasa bejaja sa no me kwan fie ho no niam bebe na me hu ye be that particular day na me flare when I can say the secretary say me flare fie wa bedru fie enti se bibi wo wa no e wa pe ohine kasa gidi asa chese ama secretary ni kwa kasa me hu the way a ohine bu ofu pa me momodi na me fam panifo mla ne na say see na ye make asem because of the iron now eti okasa happen no ana me see you mate ubusa secretary me ni kasa phone so che pa jojo na koma said ye nkoye say ma ye bibi boni bia e wa pe the next day the mu yan so ma ye official video ye if you for na say your official video say me for na me metwe sika 70,000 Ghana cedis 72,000 Ghana cedis
no ye omulu na omode ba ye
I don't know na kuli be men kan we yo omoji 6,000 equality that last day na omodi powder gu nisu no so omo say no so empanifo atnas na omo betwa asam to me twa another 3,000 in which anisu metwa e mane ye 9,000 Ghana cedis omoji say sika no what you say eti omuwie bibia na de achen de mu ya say video bi cosness me free wono ana omutwa video wo olama me woni no say me metwa 72,000 Ghana cedis any enwan ne eniema bi
so for me patcho for what 72,000
ye be di asem no man kan tell me say wudi fa obetwa sika say o ma me sa embla no o man kan tell me say ebia asem no wudi fa etwa say ye twa so ye so man kan de mu yan so ma give me 9,000 cedis no ana o mo say asem ye be wi no mbaja another 3,000 ye san twa ye atsan bibia ni wo bi what you say eti o mo record say 72,000 I don't have many bi no ana me consult me bro no ameto so nungwaafo ulomo no nso di asem ne say
papa bajo tobo enti afi etiefo abusuafo samate de enti ema asem no kodru ulomo nungwa ehine ne ho ena sofo e kan sisi e
eti said ye wakọ baabi na wafa lawyer na lawyer say fa o fridge blend asan me di wasem na unim lawyer bi wo baabi na wo consult na say eyemlemu ana so we went there to consult the ulomo what nungwa say eyemlemu say ukodi asema what nipa kona fa the evidence ama what provide evidence nipa kona say we and first evidence here light ye di ama no omsema ye post bibi on social media but that last day no when any ma obi wia na ho video me e post it to am platforms in which ni na enhame because media social media me
and so for how did you get to know that say o ma obi wia na ho
Yes, sir, and common as na me call now we office sa bebru 8 times. But say me say when you be am fa phone and twa bibia because me twa bibia o china 17 obi am twa ntwa me so. But or say me say ma me twa bibia. Last day no ono an call for gina akose curtains ati na kola baako ana de camera ateta wo. Enti me tina na me hu no. So go to
Okay.
Now we say now we Ubani twa ana now we know etia ne say hey free oko
Okay, that means any ono na ma the boy na ye the boy mum no wi ano.
Me be kase nti wotia ne wie ye say won free won ko no a opie ye wie ye no sa na kwala ba ko wan yifie wo oba aso dem obe gididin ono so wo machi o minchemu okita camera say no wotwa na makwala ba ko e fe ne press aka say daddy omogusu twa o ana na we tia makwala ne say wonyai wan obi an stop no.
Okay.
Okay. That's why I make a minimum champion. I social media 1.3. What you say? It's a bass area, you know. And a nungwa ulomo for the same. Aya, dear CBA, name Momuntio, mean disrespect you or Yibiao, name Momuno. Nanke chase, metinungwa sa season. So be best samamia, a nungwa de chasom samami.
Okay.
And according to my info, according to say now, now we senase or senase. What you say to police ranks. Now we senase or one pon a can one if you're me. And you almost say, and can just say, now we a samam straightforward. Ebe family free nungwa ekone the traditional culture. It just say or samame. Esi nungwa wuromo no so anampo se let no ntwa se ko mo ba no omo mfemle me omo de beble na we for wuromo fo no na omo ayede omo agilete no na de won bi omo aye enti empanifo bebro tan asofo ne security fo na wom nungwa ho no ana omo se me instructions we sika na omo je ye na so mo di asem no eno so omo mamle mu no nse sanke kosa. But metria enyahwe na emom omo frame a hwan na manko biem. Number 2 ulo mo na ekasa omo frame a hwan na manko biem. Number 2 menhwe na mantwe sika bia 72,000 bia omo adi asem no ebedi asem no foforo biem entimanim ejechi omo achro letter e de command na wi letter ni o mi phone so ani ngwa ulo mo eboso say one or man flame me beam, one or man army beam, say, as some of my Dania bet to our woman, or money in a bedi, and on Mamma shall and say, because I'm like 4 a.m., 3 a.m. Now we a P. No, your friend Alfred, now or flap frame or flap frame P. Yamla, yam fampen formula, and now Ulom of phone said, my young cop. Now, on my just an actual letter, at their command now we call for. Ama letter no ewo mi phone so akodi wo monsama o mama me assurance sa ye wo wana ablantie bi eba ho satan me sha.
Okay, mbajo sofo pese o clarify ha say mama wolomo nungwa wolomo no e ka say omo bedi asem na omo de letter koma na we no mbajo wo ye follow up o di akire na e be how many months.
Yeah, Debbie and Chaya cry last month. Yeah, me dear crack or two times and in now. Almost say, almost yes, investigation, almost call for one beba, almost the car flame, almost team, and 170 and penny phone in that and I'm saying call. Now we call for so beba, and son of my flu, la mamma call, and son of my friend now, yes, she and no mamma me call it.
Okay.
What yes, here and Chaya cry, let's say, a more kitchen. Into your one will be Miss office now. They be koso. I was sorry what na me pie there's a gentleman standing there and I sorry for any question. Question say one pie fia so dem say me hey munya adai gentleman come. Gentleman say Jemmy o push na say adai me na me yes for the bella and I'm train the question office. So that time no or our home you know mo sorry that or me di omo so call office will be CCT camera bo and I'm fast sorry for me no call office and probably 6 office and I'm say adai and also the letter ba na members na ntia say on fa letter ne mla ana me PS papa boy ne ba ye no say ya soma na free gender ministry gender ministry. So on file me. Lo and behold, na me so me pie ne adwuma wo gender ministry. I was gender ministry office bay. Mamenya call. Sana boy ne boa enye gender ministry no de letter ni free ba. E na we ana asoma no. Ana wo twa ntronti asofo no hu so wo twa.
Wait. I'm on the prophet. I'm on the prophet. What the prophet? Adani prophet.
Members, omo say enye na we no. And almost start to say no. What does how you scammer and how you conform beside? Okay, so gender ministries no be obi asoma wa fa nipa number my or say on to me for nipa number my or me pay say for letter ne man or so on for letter ne man because many asoma me won in which sabi o ya sorry na opia bibi eba opia creation na be fa first as na be draw so for so.
You are right, yeah.
So then call office one. Ana adwi bi ba metim say nkofo we betumi atwa 20 min recording. Ana me de phone no eto recording ana phone da me table so na me san
Papa Mbacho Tobo nti letter no de wan fa letter bi amba mon san ka letter bi a
me kaba letter ni say
okay
envelope yibi na me say ufrin fa gender ministry by ana say nipa bi na wo su afede nya gender ministry no obi wo gender ministry no friend so me letter emle me your friend say wo so mo ni din friend ma ye wo so won friend no ana me say so o me and the phones na me say now we picture the boy ni DP eba ewopi phone so and the nim na me say now we na so wa ada na won kan ekole na won ye okay fle nipa no de ni na make say now we no say now we na ebom nipa ni free gender ministry and am say won fle nipa no o friend no wan pick call no and am say me nim baby letter ni free ba dia ye nje letter okay. Echo back because o de yasoma number 1 jina obi aboa na boy ni se daabi obi di nsa say u phone o se daabi edai o se na sorry for ni push ni say on fa letter ni pie na say yes security reason because o kita bag black o china be obi di ade abo ana me so boy ni mu ene ne nante boko chia ne nsam ede ni pie e wa so ne wo ma asori for ni na ebe sa asori dem na okoye a one call report to Nungwa police station say a mama come 5 abono. I send the phone, I send the BBR. It's your flare a ma come 5 no emu 3 umunya wom. And omudomotina kanta back more than 3 hours. Ewo Nungwa police station asam yan true. Anna me forward day recording in na ma baako and okobochire you know chief commander no any see no class mo nungwa ana say
wa kasa bre
nungwa police say on be flash them the next week ni do ye nkofo na akoye o mo friend na wi nkofo ne boy na o ma police station into o ma no the following Sunday me ya sorry yape abona 10-11 mu me ye me teachings me kra microphone members wa the we answer security guard o makata o monim with marks
no dey na okay
yes o makata
o bajo tobo before so onum show akra because say omre mo ya no show kakra
I'm okay
oh you okay
yes
Chris say we wonu say dia ni kana me ka say o ma bu obi o mo we say no kre
entini afwo hu say obi a boundaries have you heard
bacho
Nana bajo yema nkasa o de
ma ye papa no go di ona wakasa
check straight to my altar omo ba me so gidi ana me san sem pacho bibi ana omo say ya soma ye na me say okay na me say free fa na me say now we say ye mra me fa wo mla ana me say okay pacho mon kante na we say me ya sorry me wia meba almost Debbie. Was he young foul by force? And I say, Obini can call report to a police station, say, CA, answer, Afe. Na minim say, do one now with a chant drop, or Mobanon be BB, me quite if you're true be blain, I cosintine, mania dao, a weapon and catch on some moment and their life, no. Obian funny phones now on recorded. Members should be quiet. Obian funny son and cocobia, me now mobile so. Obian one no. Make us na no ma fuata na ba kwa be so matade achi na o chimi wo altar no so eti o chimi no members ne person so a fight back in which microphone am crem. Hey, stop. Hey, gentlemen, stop. Hey, gentlemen. Sankwa ana me still no mugu so tweme. It mean we say member back was so protocol security man nsa ana we yi nsa free me ama me come in some Bible me bua no me nkame me hook na me matade ne hook no because of a trim a sit off from a tie e free me ho it's omo push me say anka me maba ko say office wo e wapra mo start pe de boys ni say omo say uniform pe e bi se fiatade beble omo wura so dan ana omo na ba baby omo twem akono me no say security ba ko amwa me after me say so me demi ugirigidi ana members no started say no the agene kika kono e twaso mo so eye no mu protect me ni na me peso omo beye oh me wan say ba kwa flag na wo keka niama e wa so dem wo LED light no bogu from na get ba ko kita kwala security man ba ko bona suma e ka say na yali na no otofom say team video no metumi agba kire mo omo tietia nkofo so wo form omo papa nkofo ano with blood emoji ni naba everything is there because say ye ntwa nko mbeka say ye twa ntro eto wo so ni na mu no security ni bie no obetumi akasa me member ba akokra de ade wo no ana de ade born etu show mu ba akokra nko otwe weapon otwe ade bi e de abeye enti ba sa no ana me members ni push me ura office wo omo bu office omo bu pono aya ba se abon se epono akrake because omo de omo sabu bom epeso omo bu epono esen ura office why omo makwan eti omo yes happen de na ye hu se afede omo ni na start se omo pie na bi afa so ni nkonya no e di pie na members ni san koje ye omo just look sprinter green and be no omo de ba e no mu na akotena mu na pua omo tu car no ana omo koi eniema esi aso dem akola ketu a owo 1 year na ni hu ni na awai e wa police
just imagine
so now video now eniema esi aso dem no videos me posti ba akokla on social media de mu hu ni e kete because the scene it take long e wa so dem wo pa nti asam ni mislow so unnim asemwa na wanyantobo ase me na wati asam afane afa min disrespect mo authority min disrespect wanyi bia ma dia maya ne se omodi atam mawie onye na tole gidi ba ni fi o mapie ko me metua 700 million ne mponche wuro mo se ma me nkonkotua o ma so asem nim eno ane disrespect na
oso mi nchewa no na omo pesa mo de wona ni mugu ana sese
me da sinti
so yeah mami me pacho obi antono bo ni to ona
anoche onwa asema me ba first time me be kan ya me nuanum bi anti
fire ko
yes also the same scene of fire catch ya na yi tuo de kirew I mean I sorry them gidi no you see
Nanka, we here.
So now
we pacho tobo, ade patobo, ni pacho tobo.
Okay.
Also for pacho, e besa here, papa. Ye, we dey dom ye be 10 minutes bi kan. Sample back, e sro pa. Okay. Ni say afi what is
before
me pese ni kasa ni ye pacho. Mr. Loma ye pacho kasa
Big Daddy.
Yeah,
no, Big Daddy, let's not play with this thing. Maminka baby wa me ba earlier anochi if you bear me witness and your life is recorded they can say I don't succumb to vandalism. Me can say where are you right, where are you wrong. I came here to correct nipa na wakasa answer na me fruit up no. Say everybody has a jurisdiction. Na obi superior than obi. Na the traditional rulers don't have the right to call the case and I'm the through here. So I came to clear that doubt and also tell them that they have that right per even constitution, but they work within the framework of the constitution. Number two,
asma all kano. I mean, me make you sign inferment, you know.
No, I said it before you
chairman was bonnet. Man,